Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal beats Brentford 2-1 to continue their top 4 push. For the first half, Arsenal played 0-0 with Brentford because the first half just tight. Brentford pack men, put for the defense, and no one really come outside. Then for the second half, Lacazette come feed Smith-Rowe for 48 minutes to bust nets to make am 1-0. At the same time, for 79 minutes, Thomas Partey feed Saka to make am 2-0. Arsenal just a cruise. Then before you know what they happen, for 93 minutes, no guard, come score one back for Brentford to make am 2-1. Na so the match take end o. Then after the match, when they hear say the goal wey Smith-Rowe score na the 600th goal wey he don score for Emirates, and at the same time say the guy don break Arsenal long-standing record wey dem don set since Aaron Ramsey for the 2017-2018 season to score 10 goals for a midfielder to score 10 goals in a season. The last time it happened na 2017-2018 season. We be saying that Aaron Ramsey now even run the package, so Smith-Rowe was very happy. Even when they called the and said, "Do you know that you've broken a record that was here since a very long time?" About say, I'm gonna say no. So, but he did very happy now. Say the thing can't fall from your hand, and he can't score. Because I've fallen to anybody's hand, but it can't fall from your hand. So he did very happy and appreciative. Another news of the year be say our goalkeeper with the record Ben Leno say 1 tree don't fall from your house. So you know, so this storm you need what they talking about. The thing just the ravage all over London, so the thing can't push 1 tree. The tree can't fall on top of your house, can't damage part of your house. As in, the thing don't damage in many places for London. Even Super Bowl Stadium, it damaged O2 Arena. It damaged O2 Arena like say tomorrow no day. As in, the thing just scattered things everywhere. We'll never know whether the thing don't end. I know that it will still come again. Well, for the watch, I just pray say make you not to injure people because as of yesterday while they check, like 2 people don't already murdered. So we never really know how the thing they go. Well, more the watch. After the match, from media settings, so they come they interview Mikel Arteta. So they come they ask him about the atmosphere, about the fans, how they see the match. About saying they're very happy with the match and especially say special accolades. Guys go to the fans because the fans make the atmosphere very electrifying, very electric, and the bond that the fans get with our Hill End Academy members. All those kind of Bukayo Saka, Smith-Rowe say no, say it is very important and very sweet, especially when they chant that special song where the fans create for Smith-Rowe and Bukayo Saka. They will hear Smith-Rowe and Bukayo Saka, Bukayo Saka and Smith-Rowe, all those kind of songs. So they bust your brain if you live at the stadium because that connection between the players and the fans, they don't did there because the fans go on, they know saying that them be our 12th man. They no push us, give us that ginger, give us that extra push. If you don't do anything now, because when you check that match for the first half, you see say Brentford they carry one game plan come. Their game plan are let us defend in the first half. So after defending the first half, it come be 0-0. Then second half, continue the defense, at least defense maybe 70-75, they will now come outside because they look say the more than they for 0-0, the more likely they get to collect results to get. So they don't know say Arsenal get many other plans because and it can't help us say as we just enter that second half we can't score early goal. So we don't score that early goal. It could have been very difficult because I know people to say we will lose that match now or maybe we'll draw that match. At that time we call it here say we talk am before Arsenal no get striker. Who wants score for them? How about me and no day? This one, that one. In case I don't share, like I said, not share, you know. Or God can not let them just laugh us. Don't give us all those are too smally. They call it post bust net. Well, they're very happy. At the same time, they call they ask Mikel Arteta about that Granit Xhaka captain band incident. You know, say for the second half, after they don't bring in Nketiah, I can't come on Lacazette. So Lacazette don't talk captain when being I can't come on the armband, give Nketiah so that Nketiah will give next in line. Now Nketiah come like say Nketiah don't know how the hierarchy did for the captain armband. Say the pecking order, you don't know how it be. So Nketiah come kind of thing going to give Granit Xhaka. Granit Xhaka come say no, I don't understand. Leave me, no give me. So he call give her like 2 times, so he give her before he go give Kylian. So they call ask Mikel Arteta say what he make that kind of thing happen. So Arteta come dey explain say what happen be say for the pecking order after Lacazette na Kylian na be the next. So maybe Nketiah I don't forget or he no you get. So it will be very disrespect to say you get vice captain number 1, you no give number 1, you can't really give number 2 or number 3. Get that to be now. For the pecking order after Lacazette, if Lacazette no dey, as long as Kylian dey for the middle of the park, dey for the field, na Kylian go give the team next. You get everybody, the leadership team. Don't say Kylian dey for the leadership team of Arsenal. Granit Xhaka sef dey there, so they know who be the next. So now maybe Granit Xhaka come and say, "Who give Tierney? Now wetin dey give me for? Who give Tierney?" So say, "Oh, maybe can go give Tierney, can they collect the thing on Vieira?" Say now wetin happen? Say no be say Granit Xhaka willingly reject the captain armband. Say he just want set the record straight, and I say it don't be because myself I follow for those who dey talk yesterday. Say what's the meaning of that? I even talk and say by today everything go dey clearer because Arteta got to respond. Because I don't see they go ask him. So now we don't clear the record straight. Everything don't dey clear now. Even Piers Morgan said will be our celebrity Arsenal fans. They don't come and say talk about Granit Xhaka. Say what kind of rubbish is that? Say Granit Xhaka do this and do that. At the same time, back on the talk say ever since Vieira come up for Arsenal, say Arsenal never get any correct captain he get for that team he get. No, this guy, I don't understand. Any little opportunity they use and they castigate Arsenal. Instead of him to wait, like myself I say make I wait, make I hear the full gist, make Arteta explain what's up. Okay, now Arteta don't explain what's up. So why you won't blame Xhaka now? Because that guy on post, on tweet plenty things about Arsenal. Say we don't get a leader, we don't get since Vieira come out, we never ever get leader, we don't get captain, good captain, we don't get this, we don't get guy, I don't understand. We win, praise us, leave all this negative energy. I don't know. See the fact say you get one kind of hatred for us, for Arteta, not Arsenal, for Arteta, or you hit them with passion, you get maybe because you don't pursue some of your loyal players, maybe you are an Aubameyang loyalist, or maybe Guendouzi loyalist, or maybe Ozil loyalist. They can't pursue all these people because of that. You can't hate Arteta with passion. Anything will happen like this, you go transfer them to Arteta. But when transfer aggression like this, no good. Surprise! Tottenham Hotspur beat Man City 3-2 yesterday. Wolves say they pray make them lose. That yesterday, the match. No. Tottenham really deserve the win. I don't go lie. Forget say I'm the Arsenal fan. They really deserve it because don't even do Tottenham or Joruna wins and Man City can't score penalty. 2-2, 9 minutes. That's in 9 minutes. God of soccer say, not today. Spurs, you are winning. Spurs come just square play. Harry Kane played the best game of his life yesterday. The guy turn up for his team. No. They really tried because they know say if say they lose, they will be 6 points behind Arsenal, 6 points behind West Ham, and 7 points behind Man U. And all of us they fight for Europe. I want to happen for them again. So they really needed to fight anyhow, tooth and nail, to win that match. So now they did 3 points behind us. So that's a nice one for them. I must say that the match, they ask me, I say, I ain't see the first half where Arsenal play. So, but what can I say for that first half? I'm making no lie, say Arsenal dominates that Brentford. As in, we finish them again because they can't pack the bus now. They don't see any shot, nothing. They don't play anything for that first half. As in, we dominate. Ball possession will be like 90-10 or 95-5. We'll finish them entirely. So, unfortunately, all those our domination, bring us any goal. I'll say about the talk. Say we just waste some chances, but thank God in second half everything can be different because like I always say, no two halves are equal. You get say because we dominate first half, no mean say second half will go rose like that. But fortunately for us, second half can't go rosy, so we're very happy with the outcome. Even said the Suarez come aside from media setting, come they talk say the team spirit they very high and the team they play as a unit. So now everything help them win that match and see that three put them take good for Dubai. When they go to Dubai training, come get some kind of camaraderie, come bond with the teams, everybody come be like family. Say no, that really helps the team. See now they are playing like a unit, they are taking the game one at a time, and before you know what they happen now, because our next opposition now are Wolves will come, if you give them back. After Wolves, them that kind of Leicester will come, if you give them go. Before we come meet almighty Liverpool, anything can happen. So I never know how that one will be. Well, we'll watch as everything they turn out. At the same time, Mikel Arteta come aside from media setting, when they explain some kind of things because they ask and say, "Shey, this is why we say when they cry referee, some kind of decisions don't they go for una favor. So shey una go blame referee for all those kind of red cards una dey get and some kind of officiating." So Arteta come and say, "This no be the time to dey blame referee. Say as referee dey now, referee go do his job, to do wetin he wan do. Say we now on our own, we go do our own job, do wetin we say we wan do. So na so it just be." say nobody will come dey blame any referee now. So it's not about poor officiating you get. So we just stop other one, but we make sure say we no dey collect unnecessary red card you get, because all these cards, whether you like it or yes, it go still affect your gameplay you get. It go affect you. If he give you red card, then you go get play 10 man behind it, but it dey affect results. So we make sure say we no dey do it, we go make referee come dey give us card. And I was very happy we comport ourselves that yesterday, or maybe na because now we get lion's share of the possession, because we check that yesterday, we not to collect yellow cards or we not to do some kind things with the warrants. I see Shaka say we say they go carry ball run pass and go free the person. That's unlike Shaka before, he go pull you back. You know, those some kind professional foul, they know they do them again, which makes me very proud of the team. After the match, like I said, I can't go for Twitter, I can't go to tweet, say nice kick about with the team, with the boys, you know, come put some kind of love emoji. Now this same tweet, this same particular message, verbatim, copy and paste, Ivan Toney post the time where Brentford beat Arsenal. He just come and say nice kick about to the boys, blah blah blah. So like I said, copy am, come paste am, come post am. So fans gonna laugh. Ivan Toney say, see wetin happen now. I'm still on the media setting, because media people they don't want to make Mikel Arteta go. So they come dey ask and say, what will be the ultimate motivation wey give Arsenal that ginger to come beat this Brentford for that match wey dem play? So Baba come talk say na the scar of the loss we will lose against Brentford for the beginning of the season, because when you watch that match, you will know say no be the people wey play that match, no be majority of them no dey for this team wey play this match. So he don explain to them say, see how that match go down, no underrate these people, them good o. As them beat us for their own home 2-0, but we say make sure so we beat them for our own home. And when you check the context of the match, how important it is to us, you get, you go know say now we need the win back, because we are aiming to go to Europe, you get. So it's a vital win for us. That's why themselves they no come say they won't come attack us the way they attack us when they home. They came with a defensive mindset. So Babako say he don't explain to the team, and some of the team like Ben White played in that match, will lose 2-0. So instead we don't explain to Gabriel Magalhaes say, oh that match, these people they're strong, because Magalhaes don't play for that match. Ramsey know they there. Some kind of people know they for that match you get. So overall we are very very happy with the win. Even after the match, Thomas Frank will be Brentford coach, come as I can talk say, almost say Arsenal played very very well. You get, see they move with the ball very well. And the guy can give special accolades and special attention to that Bukayo Saka goal. But talk say that goal is an excellent finish. Now goal will be say he did very very hard to score, and Saka can score the goal. So they're very happy with Saka. So my dear football lover, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click am so that you will get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Have a great Sunday and get my house.